For many, the concept of credit repair remains shrouded in mystery. However, it's a crucial subject that directly impacts financial health, and understanding it can pave the way towards better opportunities and security. This aims to unravel the mystery of credit repair, discussing this important and practical strategy to successfully navigate the credit repair journey with me, Rob Rosa. Number one, let's understand the importance of it. Get access to better financial opportunities. A higher score will open the door to favorable loan and credit card offers. Often will give you lower interest rates. We will also get you access to opportunities to save money in the long run. How about reduced insurance premiums? Those credit scores often set premiums for policies. A better credit score can lead to reduced insurance costs, putting more money back in your pocket, and get greater bargaining power. A strong credit score gives you leverage when negotiating interest rates on loans, credit cards, and saving you a significant amount of money. How about better rental and employment opportunities? Landlords and many employers check credit histories as part of their screening process. Have a clean credit report, increase your chances of securing the rental property or job you want. Now, here are some practical credit repair strategies. Number one, let's get a report of your credit. We can obtain these reports from the three major bureaus, and we'll carefully review these reports for inaccuracies or outdated information that are affecting your credit score. Then we can dispute the errors. If you find any errors on your reports, we will take prompt action to dispute them. We can do this by sending a letter that is relevant to the credit bureau and any supporting documentation that we have. We might even put together a repayment strategy to help you pay off your outstanding debts. These might be prioritizing high interest debts or following a debt snowball method where you pay off smaller debts first to gain momentum. Number four, we will create a budget and stick to it. A well-planned budget is an effective tool to keep your spending in check, and you can meet all your debt obligations on time. Lastly, consult a credit service like myself, and if the process seems overwhelming, don't worry about it, because we will guide you through the steps and potentially expedite this process. So, my friends, credit repair might seem daunting, but understanding its importance and knowing how to tackle it makes the process more manageable. Taking control of your credit health leads to financial freedom, empowering you to grab better opportunities and secure a more stable future. So start your credit repair journey today, and we can pave the way to better financial health for you together, my friend.